Hello guys, and welcome back to this last class of our course about the complete introduction to Photoshop. So basically in today's class we are going to talk about what exactly we have learned in this class. Also we are going to talk about basically what you can do right now with all your knowledge and what will be the next steps for you guys. And once again, congratulations that you guys have completed the whole Photoshop course. So basically what exactly we have saw in this course. So we talked about plenty of things in this course, but basically the main topic was how to modify pictures. So we talked about different techniques that you guys can use to modify pictures, different tools that you guys can use for this purpose, since we talked about different things that you can use to modify pictures. So we talked about many tools, how to play with colors, how to add features to a picture, how to take away things from pictures, to crop pictures, and well, different tools to crop, modify, and all those things. So basically right now you should have all the proper knowledge to be able to work with Photoshop. So what can you do right now with all your knowledge? So basically you can work in many fields. So first of all, you can do it for yourself. So you want to modify your own pictures right now, you are able to do it. So you can do whatever you want with your own pictures, and that is pretty cool. So basically you have right now the required knowledge to modify your Instagram pictures or any other social media pictures. You have the ability to create your own business cards. You can create your own posters. You can do whatever you want. If you have a business, for example, or if you want to do it for someone else, you can do it as well. You can start also charging for your services. So basically you can offer designing services since you know how to work with Photoshop. And let's say someone wants a picture modification, you can charge for your services, which is another really interesting thing that you guys can do, since right now you have all the proper knowledge to start working in the field. Not only this, right now what you can do as well is, for example, instead of charging a lot, you can start by charging just a little, just to learn how everything works, and after that maybe charging more. Depends of your experience and depends how good you are in Photoshop. So right now you have well, this is what you can do basically with your knowledge. So what would be the next steps for you? So basically, in my opinion, the next steps for you guys would be to continue learning. So in other words, starting working on your own project. So the best way to learn something is really by practicing it. So you can start modifying more pictures. You can create small projects. So for example, as you can see the pictures right here, in my opinion, they're really beautiful, and the people who made them are really talented, and it took a lot of time. So basically you can't just create this picture in 5 minutes. It takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. You need to put pictures together, you need to think about the final result. So basically it's not that easy to do, but right now you have the proper knowledge to be able to create those pictures right there. And also Photoshop is like anything else. So basically to be able to work with this program and to become good at it, it's all about practice. So what I suggest you guys to do is really practice. Create your portfolio. So basically create different projects and work on as many projects as you guys can. And then you can start charging for your service. And basically the more experience you have, the more people will be willing to pay you a higher price for what they need. So finally, I'd like to thank you all for completing the whole class. So basically, I know that it's not well, it's not that easy, Photoshop, and you'll see you'll need to practice a lot to become very good at it. But once again, I tried to make this class as simple as possible, and only covered the main topics of Photoshop, not going too much in too complicated things. So right now you should know all the basics and all the fundamentals of this application, and then by yourself being able to go more in depth, and by practicing you'll see it's not that complicated. Finally, you guys are right now ready for the business world, and you can start well, creating your own projects. And once again, if we talk about the course, so if you guys have liked this course, you can check out my other courses. Basically, I have the same teaching style in all of my courses. So I have a philosophy of learning by practice. So if you like this one, I'm pretty sure you will like the other ones. So besides of that, once again, thank you all for allowing me to teach you this topic. It was an honor for me to be able to help you out with it. And besides of that, see you all in one of my other courses.